Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. We're gonna start with the Nasdaq here for the intraday to see what happened today and what it might happen next. So basically what we are looking at here for Nasdaq is a 1, a 2 here, finished as leading diagonal wave 1, wave 2. We have an impulse after it, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course finishing a wave 3 in the blue scenario and followed by an expanding flat wave 4. After this expanding flat, we got, of course, a signal and as an answer that a potential impulse is unfolding here for continuation for the wave 5 as a 1 and then wave 2 expanding flat again and, of course, continuation for higher prices. On the 15-minute chart, on the micro level, we can see we have 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4, no invalidation, wave 5 finished as well as an ending diagonal. After it is followed by 3 waves down, wave A, wave B, and even potential wave C as ending diagonal, or even, of course, it can be W, X, and a Y in 3 waves. The wave Y might be finished here. Currently, we see a little bit of volatility, of course, but somehow it is in a formation of 5 waves toward the upside. And of course, it can be the continuation for higher prices. Now, I would like to mention to be careful, of course, today there is a Fed interest rate decision, which is a very critical news that it might unfold here. In case we stay, of course, with the 4.5% as interest here, we might, of course, see a little bit the market struggling again. Or if we get a cut, which it might be, of course, a surprising action here, it might, of course, unfold something interesting toward the upside. But of course, be careful, trade safe during the news. Nothing is secured, of course, during the news. And of course, no financial advice. So basically, the wave 5 should unfold as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We're looking for this blue box, of course, here. And in this blue box, we would like to finish finally a top for a wave 5 here, which it might finish all the wave 5s. And of course, with it, a major wave 1. And then start, of course, to look after a wave 2 towards the downside for continuation for higher prices later on. That was it for the Nasdaq. Let's move for the SPX 500. The SPX 500, where we are looking right now at the impulse, the last impulse for the wave 3 here as a major wave. We have 1, 2. We have, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave 3, followed by an expanding flat again. And we would like to see a signal for higher prices. Now, on the 15-minute chart, internally, you can see potentially here, after this drop down, this bottom, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. Kind of a small, very small impulse followed by a wave 2. However, we don't see really continuation toward the upside yet. We didn't get the confirmation that we wait for it. And of course, we would like to see higher prices here, continuity, of course, for this impulse for higher. So therefore, also be careful again with the news. This might affect, it might be positive, of course, it might be negative. But yeah, trade safe and of course, secure your trades. And of course, yeah, I'm going to update definitely after the news to see what's going to happen today with the daily close. That was it for Nasdaq and SPX 500. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.